Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making chilli mushroom 500 grams, salt as per taste, pepper 1 tablespoon, corn flour 2 tablespoon, chicken 65 masala 1 tablespoon, optional. Mix everything. Keep aside. Oil 3 tablespoon. Fry the mushrooms on medium heat until changes color or 5 minutes. Keep aside. Pan, oil 2 tablespoon. Chopped onion half cup. Saute for 2 minutes on high heat. Capsicum chopped half cup. Saute for 2 minutes on high heat. Now add fried mushrooms. Green chilli paste 1 tablespoon. Red chilli sauce 1 tablespoon. Ketchup 1 tablespoon. Saute for 2 minutes. It's ready to serve. Plating is so important. I am using just cabbage and capsicum for plating. Finely chopped cabbage. Chopped capsicum, tomato, enjoy chilli mushroom. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching.